Now let us study about average value of alternating current over a complete cycle. Now to find the average value, first we write the equation of the current as we have already studied. Since we are studying AC current, AC alternating current, we are going to define it by the equation I equals to Im sin omega t, where I is the instantaneous value of the current, Im is the peak value of the current, and sin omega t, this is the phase angle. There is also plus phi, which is phase difference. We are not taking it here because we are talking about only this current. So there is no other quantity or no other current to compare with, so there will be no phase difference. So this is the equation of sinusoidal alternating current. And if we want to find the average value, we have peak value, we have instantaneous value. Suppose we want to find the average value. Then to find the average value over one complete cycle, let us say that I is equal to dq by dt, where q is charge. We know that the current is rate of flow of charge. So I will be equal to dq by dt. So dq by dt equals to Im sin omega t. If we rearrange, then this dt can be taken here, and this is what we get. So for example, let us say that we have a complete cycle, as we drew the graph in the previous video. This is one complete cycle of alternating current. It starts from 0, pi by 2, then it comes down to 0 again here, and then 0. So this is your half cycle and this is your full cycle. So let us say that the time period for to complete one cycle is T, capital T is the time period. We will use it later on. So in this one complete cycle, a total charge, this total charge that is flowing in the circuit will be given by the integration of dq, and this complete cycle is from 0 to t. So we will integrate from 0 to t. That means integration of Im sin omega t dt from 0 to capital T. Now in this, Im is the peak value is this value. This remains constant. These are your peak values, they remain constant. So it will come outside the integration, and only sin omega t will be integrated. So the total charge that will be there will be the integration of sin omega t. Integration of sin omega t is cos omega t upon omega, and the limit applied will be from 0 to t. This is minus cos omega t. So we'll take the minus outside here. So this will be the value. Omega can also be taken outside. So we have cos omega t inside the bracket, and the values that we are going to substitute are 0 and t. So first we will substitute the final limit, which is cos. It will give us cos omega capital T minus cos 0 degree. Now omega, we know that omega is also given as 2 pi by t. So we are going to use this relation. So if we replace omega by 2 pi by t like this, then t will get cancelled, and what is left is cos 2 pi minus cos 0 degree. Now cos 2 pi is same as cos 0 degree, because in a circle, if we divide, then this is 0 degree, the circle will make, this is pi, and again it will come here 2 pi. So 0 degree and 2 pi are same thing. So this will be 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So this will give us that the total charge over a complete cycle is 0, and hence the total current over the complete cycle is also 0. That means, and it makes sense also, if you look at the graph, it makes perfect sense that one side, for half the cycle the current is in positive direction, and for next half cycle the current is in negative direction. So the average value will obviously be 0. So that means if we want to find the average value of AC, then to find it over one cycle, one complete cycle, does not make any sense, because the value will come out to be 0. We need some value. So that means, this implies we cannot find the average value over one complete cycle. So what do? We find the average value over only half the cycle. That means instead of integrating to find total charge from 0 to t, we integrate it from 0 to t by 2. So this statement we will write q equals to from 0 to t by 2. So we will do the same thing, and here we will put these limits. We will change the limit. So q will be equal to minus im by omega, and inside it will be cos omega t from 0 to t by 2. Now if we substitute this limit, then it will be cos omega, and small t will be replaced by capital T by 2, and omega is 2 pi by t. So it will be 2 pi by t into t by 2 minus the initial limit cos 0 to t. So this 2 will get cancelled, t will get cancelled, all that is left is cos pi, and cos pi is minus 1. So we will have minus im by omega minus 1, and this is also 1, so minus 1. So we will get 2 im by omega. This will be the total charge that is flowing over half the cycle. It is over half cycle of alternating current. If this omega is also replaced by 2 pi by t, then this will be equal to 2 im, 2 pi by t, t will go up, and what we will have is im into t upon pi. So now if we want to find out the current, we write it here. We have the total charge over one complete cycle. We will use this I just told you for substitution purpose. This is the total charge that is flowing over half the cycle. Now if you want to calculate the total current over half the cycle, then total current is the rate of flow of charge, that is q, and the time for which the charge is flowing, we are taking it as t by 2. So this will be the total current over half the cycle. Now if we substitute these values, then it will be 2 im upon omega into 2 by t. This omega can be written as 2 pi by t, 2 pi, and t will go up into this as it is 2 pi by t. Now if we solve this, then we will get 2 by pi im. So the average current, we will denote this average current as I average avg. This is equal to 2 by pi im, and the value of 2 by pi is 0.637 of the peak value. That means the average value of current over half cycle is 0.637 of the peak value of current. Similarly, if we want to find out the average voltage, we can follow the same concept, and average voltage will be equal to 0.637 of the peak voltage. So always remember that the average value is found out over the half cycle, not over the complete cycle. Over complete cycle, the average value will be 0. So we find the average value over half the cycle, and this is how we find it.